everyone, it's Dr. Angel over here. Are you like me? You know, sometimes when you really need some medications, but you have forgotten to go to the pharmacy and buy it. The pandemic now, right? So it can be very difficult, or you feel that it's not really safe to go out. And I have many of my patients actually who are just too scared to go out and get their medications. So this may result in interruption of essential medication supply, especially for those who have chronic illnesses, you know, like diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol, heart problem. You know, these patients that have to take their medications regularly, and this cannot be interrupted because otherwise it can cause many complications. You know, it's very important, especially in this pandemic, take care of your own body. So you know what happens if you really run out of medication, you forgot to take it, and your clinic is closed. So sometimes what you can do is, I've used this very useful service. It's called the Alpro online e-pharmacy service. So besides your regular supplements, like your vitamin C that I usually take on a regular basis just to boost my immunity as well as my family's immunity, you can also use it now to buy your prescription medication.
Let's just go through how I order from Alpro online. No, I started talking to the pharmacist, Mr. Hugh, who's in charge, and he directed me to the Alpro online website. So if you have a look at the website, so you can actually buy things. So certain things that does not need prescription, right? You can just add to cart like that, and you can check out, fill in your details. But if you want to buy something that needs a prescription, right? For example, I bought the disregard syrup, so which is this one. So this actually is not what we call over-the-counter medication. Okay, so when it's not over-the-counter medication, supposedly you can't just buy like that. So what actually will come up on the website is like this. It will tell you it's a genuine medication, and when you click, it will tell you to speak to a doctor. And when you click that, the pharmacist who is actually in charge will get in touch with you. You can either talk to the person using the Facebook Messenger, or you can WhatsApp them as well. And very nicely, you can choose any of the languages: English, Malay, also Chinese. So when I continue my my queries, the pharmacist may give you some suggestion as to what kind of medications you want to buy. And this is the antihistamine that I have chosen. And they will actually ask you which type you prefer, because certain antihistamine can cause people to become a bit sleepy. You have to fill in, certain details. If it's a prescription medication, we'll actually have to upload a clear prescription as well, just to verify, to avoid, getting the wrong dosage, etc. Okay, and the nice thing is the delivery can be even after office hours, so this make it very convenient. So the nearest Alpro branch will actually get in touch with us. So my branch is the Wangsa Maju one. Very nicely, the staff actually asked me whether do I need extra things like a syringe. And what I can do is I can actually just do my instant online transfer, and tada, the medication will get sent to my home. So it is that simple.
So this is what I've got delivered to me. This is the disregard syrup. And we also got the vitamin C for the kids.